It's been very hard not to keep expecting her to call.
It won't make up for the loss, but tonight the family of a bicyclist killed by a semi is getting a settlement from the trucking company. But they say more needs to be done to keep other cyclists safe.
So we are asking tonight the trucking company if it will actually make any changes. And Sally Showman found out. Sally, you just did hear back from that company in the last hour?
Yeah, Kelly, since my 5 o'clock report, I heard back from Golden State Foods. I spent the day trying to get a hold of them so they could address the family's 2 biggest concerns. Now, the family says that the drivers aren't sufficiently trained and the trucks need more mirrors. But now I found out nothing's changed at Golden State.
It's been very hard not to keep expecting her to call.
There's no deeper grief than the loss of a child. Ted and Rachel Rickson have felt it for almost 2 years.
So I guess I'll miss that longest.
His daughter Catherine was riding toward the Hawthorne Bridge on Southwest Madison at 3rd Avenue in May of 2012. She had the green light to proceed, but a Golden State Foods semi-truck driver turned right and hit and killed her. Since the crash, there have been some changes here at 3rd and Madison, striping to increase visibility of the bike lane and an additional yield sign up above. But still, Catherine's parents say there's a lot more work that needs to be done.
There were a number of steps that the companies did not take to ensure that their drivers knew how to safely drive in our bike-friendly, congested downtown Portland area.
The driver was not cited, but I found out he did not look in his side mirror before he turned.
The training for this particular driver was very minimal.
The Ricksons believe semis should be equipped with a fender mirror on the front bumper. We checked. The truck that hit Catherine was not. I learned these mirrors are not required by law, but according to a study done by the University of Michigan, trucks without right fender-mounted mirrors were about twice as likely to be involved in a serious crash. I wanted to know if Golden State Foods has considered installing these mirrors or if they've changed training procedures since the crash. So we drove to their North Portland office. The receptionist there referred us to a spokesperson out of California. We gave them a call.
Hi there, it's Sally Showman. I'm a reporter in Portland, Oregon with Coin TV.
And late this afternoon, we received a written statement. Our experienced drivers are thoroughly trained and have acquired the commercial driver's licenses necessary to drive large commercial vehicles in densely populated areas. As for the mirrors, they say, quote, "This case wasn't about mirrors. Our mirrors on all of our trucks meet all transportation regulatory guidelines. We agree with both the police report and the DA's conclusion that neither the driver nor the company was at fault."